It's on.
Okay, so you've got your custard made and chilled, and you sprinkle about a tablespoon of sugar over the top. And we fire up the microflam burner and just go back and forth across the sugar crystals until the sugar melts and you can see it start to crystallize. And when the sugar is all melted and crystallized, you're finished, and you can garnish with some fresh berries, and you have the perfect creme brulee.